In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Nigeria using Sendwave. First, open your Sendwave app. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that the app is up to date so everything loads smoothly and you see the latest features and rates. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual credentials and complete any security prompts that appear. This keeps your account protected and ensures your transfers are secure. Once you're on the dashboard, you're ready to start a transfer. This is the home screen where you'll see your recent activity and the option to send money. Tap on recipient. Here you can select an existing contact or add a new one. Keeping recipient details organized helps prevent mistakes and speeds up future transfers. Change the country to Nigeria. Select Nigeria from the country list so the app applies the correct payout options, currency, and local requirements. Double check the country before moving on. Select the payment method for how your recipient will receive the money, then choose bank transfer. This tells Sendwave to deliver funds directly into the recipient's bank account in Nigeria, which is typically fast and convenient. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank account. Matching the bank's records helps avoid delays or returns. Enter the recipient's mobile number, then retype the mobile number to confirm. The number is used for notifications and to help verify details. Ensure the country code is correct and the digits match. Tap Save to store the recipient's details. Saving reduces the chance of retyping errors later. Choose Continue to Send. This moves you into the payment flow for this transfer. Now choose your payment method for funding the transfer. Depending on your region, you might see options like a debit card or other available methods. Pick the one you prefer and make sure it's valid and ready to use. Enter the amount you want to send. The app will show you the exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the estimated amount the recipient will receive in Nigeria. Take a moment to review these numbers so you're comfortable with the total cost and payout. Select Continue to Send to review your summary. Confirm that the recipient's name, phone number, country, and amount all look correct. Finally, click Confirm Transfer. If your bank or card requires an authentication check, complete it to finalize the payment. You'll see a confirmation screen and a reference for your records. Keep an eye on the app for status updates and let your recipient know to watch for the deposit in their bank account. That's it. Your money is on its way to Nigeria with Sendwave.